Is it
Coming
okay?
out of his shell. I wish he would have got here a second sooner.
There's got to be another one coming out.
Oh my goodness.
I told you they would hatch.
That's crazy. And this is the North African redbird.
No, it's a finch.
Oh, a finch.
It's a finch.
Oh, he wants to eat already.
No, we're gonna wait. He still has his yolk
If you-
sac to eat. He's fine.
Really?
Yeah. Wait until he stops tweeting. I don't know if they're gonna survive.
I think they will, since they're taking
Well, if
care of
not, he'll be delicious food for the falcons.
Hey, no.
Ow, I'm just kidding.
My
Ow.
Goodness.
I wasn't serious. God, what's happening in my house? Got worms here.
Big
I got
ones here.
baby birds getting big. Oh, they're hungry. That is too cute. And this one is busting his way out. Freedom!
Dad, email that to me.
We should get him a social security number and claim him as a dependent.
Oh my. Hi.
Hello.
All right.
Dad, email that to me. Can I speak? Okay.
It's too long a file. I'm going to have to post it on YouTube.
Jenna?
No, you want to post it on your page?
No, post it on mine.
Okay.